Violet. Where is the elephant? Yes.
That's the elephant.
Where is the mouse?
Mouse.
Where's the mouse? Yeah, there's the mouse.
There's the mouse.
Where's the bear? Rawr. Where's the bear? Yay, there's the bear. And where is the giraffe? Yeah.
Good job, Violet.
And where is the monkey? Yeah. Ooh, ee, ah, ah. Yay, there's the monkey.
Good job. Yay, Violet.
And where's the clown? Clowns. Yeah, there's a clown. And where is the hippo? The hippopotamus. Yeah.
Good
there's the
job, Violet.
hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus.
Do you see a horse? Do you see a horse? Yay,
Good
there's a
job.
horse. And what about a lion?
Good
There's the
job,
lion.
Violet.
Yay.
Yay.